Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Rich Concept TV. I am Mr. Nnamdi James. In this channel I teach how to make money online. Okay, I teach affiliate marketing, I teach PC and Android phone trees on how to manipulate it for your own goods. So basically now in today's video I'm going to teach you how to create a simple logo. Now if you want to create a simple logo, it's very easy. All you need to do when you come to the search bar here, you type logo, and we are using a platform called CANVA. You click on enter, so just allow the page to load up. It's very easy. Now if you come to this place now, you can use blank space. Now they are already made templates here. Some are free, some are paid, but for the sake of this tutorial we are going to use the blank space. Then we click on blank space, we just allow it to load up. It's very easy. You know, one thing about Canva is for you to be very creative. So what do we do now? Now it has loaded up. This is just a blank space, the blank page in Canva now. So we click here now. Now there's so many things you can do. By the time when you click, I want you to watch my mouse now. Now by the time when you click on the center of this my blank, you can come to this place now. You can change the color. You can make the color to be black, you can make it to be red, you can make it to be any color you want. It all depends on you. But let me just, I don't want it now. I can still go to I can come to this place that says background now, because I think let me use one of the background this thing now. I can come to this place now and choose any nice background I want, and I think I like this background. It's very easy now. Now I can see how beautiful this background is. Now I am designing a logo for a football club, okay, and I just want to add the name of the football club. I can come to this place that says add text. I click on add text, then I click on heading. By the time when I click on heading, then I drag it. Can just drag it, very easy, and click backspace. And probably now let me assume that the name of the football club is Abava Football Club. I can just type Abava Football Club. I can come to this place and do here that has positive and negative. I can still reduce the size of the character. You can see. I can come to this place now. Now you can notice that this Ababa Football Club now, the whole text, the text here is black. I can change the text of the color if I want. I come to this place that has that has color bar under. I can make it red. I can make it any color I want. It all depends on what I want. But for the sake of this video, let me just can make it red. I can still come to this place and highlight any of them now. I think I want to make this only this football to be white. You can still come here and let me just make the football to be. Let me make it to be blue. Let me see. So Ababa Football Club now assuming now, then I can still come to photos now. Probably I want to add a random image in there. I can come to this place now and add, maybe I want to add football. I can just come to this place and add football here and drag it. I still come to this place and drag it. It's very easy now. Okay, then now I can still come to this place now and maybe I want to add this logo here under photos now. By the time when you look at what now, I want you to watch me exactly what I'm doing now. Now the problem with here now I cannot remove now because I'm using the free version of Canva. For those of you that doesn't have the free, for those of you that doesn't have free and that have not sign up for a free Canva, I can go to the description of this video. The link is there. Now I want to add this random photo now, but the problem is that I cannot remove this background now. So what do I do now? Let me just delete it back. I'll just delete it. Then I go to my upload. Then by the time when I go to my upload, there are pictures that I can come to this place, upload. I can go to my upload. I can go to, let me find my it. I can go to my upload and select a good and let me click on it and open it. Now this is a very nice picture. I can come to this place and select this picture now. This is a good picture I've used. And come to this place and select it. It's very easy. The one thing about Canva is you have to be very creative when you are using Canva. And see, come to this place, and you see. I still come to this place and I still drag this thing, this logo here. I still come to this place and drag it a little bit. Then I can still come to this place now. Probably I want to add probably now Now you notice that the background has been removed. Now for those of you that are using the free version of Canva, you know, in the free version of Canva you cannot remove picture background. But when you go to the description of this video, I made a video on how to remove background when you are using the free version of Canva. Go to the description of this video and the link to that video is there. Okay, so now I can still come to this upload. Now I can still upload more images. It takes me to a file picker. Then I come to this place. Now I can just decide to, let me just put something and let me look something unique. I can still come to this place now and add a random image again. I can still come to this place now and put this staff here. You all know that staff represents authority. I can come to this place and drag it a little bit. It's very, very easy. I still come to this place and upload it. I can see. Now this is just a very simple logo. Now assuming now the name of this, like this, assuming now this football football club, Ava Football Club, I'm designing their logo. Assuming now the club now is located in, let me say it's located in Anambra State, where I am currently. Now I can still come to my text and I'll just click on headings. By the time when I click on headings, I'll just drag it. I'll drag it and click backspace. I can just write Anambra State 2022. I'll still reduce it. I'll come to this place and reduce the character. It's very easy. 2022. I can still come to this place and change the writing pattern. I can come to this place and let me just make it to be in this pattern. I can still come to this place and maybe this 2022 now. Remember, I want to make it to be blue. I can highlight it and go to here that has colored back, and I'll click on it and I'll just choose any random color I want. It all depends on what I want. Even this Anambra now, I can still make this state to be, I want to make this state to be white. It's very easy. I come to this place and highlight only the state. Still come and change the color of the state. Let me just make it to be green. See how easy it is. You can see this is a very simple logo. I can still come to this place and drag it a little bit, so you can see. So there are so many things you can do with Canva. You can come to this place. There are so many things. You can come to this image now. If you want, you can scrub the image. You can scrub it, but that is not what I want to. I just want this video to be very simple and short. Okay, and this in text here, I can increase the font, the size of the text. In this place, I can increase the character, the writing pattern. There are so many things I can do with when it comes to Canva. Now I made a video on how to create an ebook, a full tutorial. I want to go to the description of this video. The link is there. I also made a video on how to create ebook cover. After creating the ebook cover, we converted the ebook cover to a 3D mockup. Go to the description of this video. The link is there. In this place, I give real value. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Read Concept TV. In this place, I give real value. So after that, now how do you do this? Now we want to download this simple logo that we have just decided that we have designed in Canva. Then we'll come to here that says download. By the time we'll click on download, then we'll click on, it has suggested that we should download this in on PNG. We now click on download. So it's very, very easy. So it has downloaded in our PC. Then we'll come to this place. You see, this is our simple logo. So is it not beautiful? So that is how easy it is to create logo. Now when you come to my file now I want to show you something again. When you come to my file now the dimension of logo of every logo is 500 pixel times by 500 pixel. Okay, so that is just the dimension of any logo. That is how easy it is to create logo. Don't forget, it's Nnamdi James. Love you. See you in my next video. Okay, bye.